Are you looking for a security solution that doesn't compromise on airflow or visibility? Meet the FlexiGlide Barrier Sliding Folding Security Shutter. This innovative shutter system is your premium choice for securing commercial and public spaces across the UK. The FlexiGlide Barrier is a sliding folding security shutter designed specifically for areas requiring perimeter protection, ventilation, and clear sight lines. Unlike traditional shutters, it combines a durable aluminium framework with open latticework, ensuring both security and airflow. First, the robust aluminium construction provides superior protection for large entrances and public areas. The sliding folding design allows this shutter to retract smoothly, maximizing access and minimizing obstruction during business hours or events. It's perfect for a variety of settings, including large or curved openings, making it the ideal choice for shopping centers, airports, and stadiums. One of its standout features is the open lattice design. This maintains visibility and ventilation, ensuring safety and comfort in busy environments while allowing for effective security monitoring. Plus, you can customize the locking options to suit your specific needs. The FlexiGlide barrier has a low headroom requirement, meaning it can fit in spaces with limited clearance, perfect for unique architectural configurations. So where is the FlexiGlide shutter used? It's commonly found in retail shopping centers, airports, stadiums, leisure centers, and educational institutions. Its versatility makes it a go-to solution for safeguarding areas without sacrificing aesthetics or airflow. Ready to enhance your premises with the FlexiGlide barrier? Don't compromise on security and comfort. Upgrade with HVP Security Shutters. Visit us for more details.